Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olaf from Mobile WizTech. Now, many of you already know that I normally do videos regarding mobile tech or home automation tech. But I love tech, and especially when it comes to electric gadgets. And I was asked to do a review for the Fairywell electric toothbrush. And we all know how important dental hygiene is. So here we are. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Now, before I get started, I do want to give a big thanks to the Fairywell company for sponsoring this video. Also, if you're new to this channel or if you want more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe and the notification bell button so that way you can stay up to date whenever I post new content on my channel. So again, this is called the Fairywell electric toothbrush. And regarding the outside presentation, not a whole lot there. So I'm going to take a quick look at the bottom, and I know this is covered up, but there are 8 DuPont head brushes. This has 40 strokes per minute, so 10 times more effective than a regular standard toothbrush. And then you have a 2-minute smart timer. So that means you get 30 seconds per quadrant. Similar to the Sonic, because I actually have a Sonic toothbrush right now, and that's the same thing. And you have a 30-second interval reminder. And then it has a 10-day battery life, or 10 days plus battery life. So you even have more than 10 days possible. So that's pretty cool. So again, this is called the Fairywell electric toothbrush. And regarding the outside presentation, not a whole lot there, mainly what you see on the front here. And what's nice about this particular toothbrush is while you're charging, it sanitizes your toothbrush heads. Also, the traveling case sanitizes your toothbrush heads as well. So, and we know this day and age, sanitizing is really important, just being clean. So let's go ahead and open up this box. So as you can see with this package, you get a lot of goodies. So you have your traveling case, which can hold up to 2 toothbrush heads, and it also can hold the wand. And while it's in here, your toothbrush heads will be sanitized, or sanitizing, should I say. You have your charge cable, again, your toothbrush wand. You got 8 toothbrush heads, so a family can actually use this whole set. Each family member can have up to 2 toothbrush heads, I guess, or however you want to divide it. And then once they're done with it, they can stick it in the charge station, which this is where your wand will go, and the toothbrush heads will go in here to be sanitized. It's just that each family member will need to keep up with their own toothbrush head. So maybe sanitize it for a moment, take it out, and then keep it in your area so that we can keep track of your own personal toothbrush head. But the options are there. Now, let's go ahead and open this up and see how everything looks. So these are all the items that come inside the package. You have your manual in this here. And if you open up this Fairywell VIP pamphlet real quick, you will see that it has some contact information. And on the back, there are a few other models that it mentions. So you can take a quick look here. This looks like the pink version of the one that I'm talking about today, but I may be wrong there. Just so you can see. Okay. Now, as far as the toothbrush heads, you get 2 of the large ones. Let me see if I get a better focus. There we are. You get 2 of the large ones. You get 3 of the standard size toothbrush heads. And then you also get 3 of the smaller toothbrush heads. And these are the ring identifiers. Now, it does not come with that. You can buy that separate in case you have multiple people using this toothbrush, like I mentioned earlier. Okay, so again, 3 for the small, 3 for the standard, and then 2 for the large toothbrush heads. So again, like I mentioned earlier, this is your travel case. All right, so you would just put 1 toothbrush head here, 1 there, and then you'll go ahead and put your wand in there. And then while it's in here, it'll be sanitizing as well, your toothbrush head. So that's good to have while you're on the road. And then that's your micro USB charge port. And this is your micro USB charge cable to type A. So obviously this end you are plugging into your brick. Okay, and here is the wand. So on off, and you have what, 5 different modes on here. So you have clean, soft. So clean, I think that's just your regular standard mode, and you have soft if you don't want it too hard on your gums or teeth. Whitening, massage, and then polish. So that's pretty cool that it has different modes while brushing your teeth. And then you have your charge light indicator as well, so it can let you know that it's charging. All right, and I think it also lets you know if the battery is low too. Okay, all right, and lastly we have the charge station. So this is where you of course plug this part into your outlet, and then you'll put your wand in here. And then as far as your toothbrush heads, it can sanitize 3 at a time. You just stick it in here. Make sure that the toothbrush head is facing towards the wall of this. Close it, and then you're good to go. So real quick, what I want to do is do a test with the wand to see how strong it is and how efficient it is, and I'll be right back. So I have done my test using this toothbrush and have to say it does an excellent job cleaning your teeth. And real quick, I just want to show you the different modes. So the first thing you would do is to turn it on by pressing the power button there. And as you can see, it's on the clean mode right now. If you want it to go to soft, you just push the bottom button here. It's on soft, whitening, massage. So if you want to massage your gums, you can use this mode. And then polish, if you want to polish your teeth. And of course, when you're done and you want to turn it off, you just go ahead and push the off button, and you're good to go. You slip it in the case. And of course, you put your toothbrush head in there so that way it can get sanitized. And that's it. So if you're interested in this, I do have a link posted in the description. Make sure you use that link, as it does help me out. Again, this is the Fairywell electric toothbrush. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also share and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it mobile.